Hello and welcome to the 110th episode of TSARP. Wow, we're like already we're 1/5 to the 150th. It really just flies by. And yes, I looked it up before we started recording what episode we were on because I didn't want to forget again. Anyway, today our co-host is Sam.
Boo!
That wasn't a hello, but okay. I feel like it might just be easier to say when he isn't here, because Sam's most of the time here. Today, again, Steven is on vacation, so that's why you didn't hear his voice. He will be back next week in time for the MS Hackathon. We will be there, so you'll get to meet all of us. I keep saying that, like that's exciting to some people. That would be nice if it was, but I don't think anyone's too interested in meeting us. But yeah, of course we're not competing. I wish we were sixth graders.
I can
but
pass
no,
as a
we're
sixth
not.
grader.
You probably could. But yeah, we will be there. I probably at a desk somewhere and maybe filming interviews with coaches to post on TSARP. My funny idea, which we might do, we might need approval, we might not, but like we just set up our own live stream and be like commentating like this. Okay, now they just took over another territory. And then we could just post it on the stream and be like, to see another view. I don't know. That was my idea. I don't know if they're gonna A, want us to do that, or allow us to do that, or B, it might just not be practical. Yeah, you know what I meant. But yeah, so we're definitely gonna film some TSARP episodes. Probably tweeting on Twitter a lot. Like, oh my God, Hopog's in the league, or in the league. Wow, I can't speak today. In the lead, and Mineola. Oh, now they're in the lead. You know, so I don't know. You'll hear from us at some point, but it's just exciting to be there. So yeah, I can't wait. I feel like the anticipation is in the air, kind of, especially with the sixth graders. And KidOYO's been busy. They're always busy. This is their busy season, the hackathon season. And I love how, like, they're like, okay, we're going to release 4 hackathons, make 4 hackathon maps, make all these challenges, come up with all these ideas, but we're still going to make a Python 3 editor, we're going to work on AI stuff. I just don't know how they do it all. It's really crazy. They're great at what they do. But yeah, so I can't wait for the theme. The theme's coming out Monday. CDPs will also be next week. And the hackathon next week. But yeah, so I can't wait. But theme Monday. So that's gonna be exciting. We don't have access to CCEDU. We don't get to see the map. We'll only get to see it through other people's screens. And from what people tell us. And Dev will announce it probably on the CodeLI stream. So yeah, just so you know, I wonder, some people already asked, like, are we in CCEDU? No, we're not.
We are.
Sam, stop spreading misinformation.
No.
Hey. So yeah, also, in other news, because like I said yesterday, we have 3 topics on this podcast: KidOYO, GimKit, and AI. we're like, hey, this would be a really funny thing to talk about sometimes. And we're like, okay, let's do it. So now GimKit is one of our specialized topics. But yeah, so GimKit liked my tweet. That was my exciting info. I commented on their tweet talking about how Sam should make a trail. Because now GimKit released these new trails that you can put on your characters.
Which looks great.
Yeah, and I said Sam should create his own because he already created his own Gim. So yeah, so I was that was it. That was the exciting news I thought everyone would love to hear. Probably none of you cared. But yeah, so that's exciting. I can't wait. The Hopog team is working on setting up, the auditorium all nice and the live stream, so I can't wait. All the teams will be there. I believe I counted 11, but this is TSARP. Your info won't always be correct. But let's do a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 teams? Really?
Wow.
Oh, I miscounted. There's 9. Also, in other news, all the banners are up now. All of them. So you can look at them. They're on ccedu.oyoclass.com. I probably won't remember to put it in the description, so that I gave you the link right there. All of them are looking really cool. Some of them are animated, some are not. Ours is not. Also, our junior one wasn't. But I kind of like when we don't, because then it's a lot easier to put in physical form. But yeah, I mean, all of them are looking sick. The animated ones are also really cool, but I believe like some have been animated in the past, but non-animating animated ones have been submitted in the past, but a non-animated one has won the award. So if yours is not animated, don't be scared that you're not going to win, because that's not always it. A year ago in sixth grade, we had a banner, we submitted it, and there were animated ones, but ours wasn't, and we still won. So if yours isn't animated, don't be like, oh, we're out of the competition. That's definitely not how it is. In the past, there have been some that have not been animated and have still won. So it is a close race. I didn't create the banner. No one in seventh grade did. It was a sixth grader for our team, and it looked sick. I think he did a good job. He took like a more simplistic approach. He put Eric in there, our favorite Eric. He will be making an appearance at the hackathon. We will bring cardboard cutout Eric to bring Hopog that fighting spirit that they need.
Yes.
I feel like every team should be represented by a KidOYO sprite. Of course, we've taken Eric. No one else can take Eric, but
No.
someone can take Betty. Someone can take one of the buses. Like, why isn't this a thing? I feel like KidOYO could have been like, okay, everyone pick a sprite. The dumb ideas we come up with on this podcast, I tell you. But yeah, so after MS, we still got the UE and we still got the high school. Yeah, it's really funny how that is. It's like the MS sixth graders are gonna be like, yay, now we're done. Now we can help the UE kids. But just how it works at KidOYO. But yeah, so I'm excited. The hackathon season is just starting. Only 1 down and 3 to go. So yeah, thank you all for listening, and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Bye.